Hello fishies. Today I'm at this cool spot in my car camper. Just off the side of the road. And I'm making coffee. So I just took a little hike with my new backpack and I absolutely loved it. I found this nice little secret trail I had no idea about. I'm finding a lot of cool spots lately and I want to show you all of them and inspire you guys to have adventures as well. But yeah, the walk was really nice. I barely even felt the backpack on my back. Like, it just felt like a part of me. So I'm so excited to have more adventures. Anyway, in this video we're making some camping coffee. I've got my little propane stove. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up. There we go. And then look, this is perfect for backpacking. Just it's like a tea bag, but coffee. Now that's handy dandy. Oh, this is not very flat. I feel like a real dirtbag right now. Oh no. Oh. There we go. Any bubbles yet? Some bubbles. In the meantime, or should I say in the cream time, ha ha ha, because we're getting some coffee creamer. Where is it? Woo! So excited. Fresh coffee. And now we wait. Okay, I'm starving. I started eating this a couple hours ago, but I got mad halfway through because I kept biting my cheek. But I'm starving, so I'm gonna give it another chance. This is really nice. Is coffee done? We got bubbles. It's getting steamy. I'm gonna give it a couple more seconds. Found this rock that I like. Turn it off. Now we just let it steam. Alright, well my phone has 9%. Hopefully I can finish this video. My coffee is done, so. It has a very distinct taste that is different than regular coffee. But that's nice. Well, I'm gonna sit in this spot for a little bit longer and enjoy some nature. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a magical day. Bye bye.